I just need some closure. Rushing over cause you said it's over. Drinking hair, yeah, I should be sober. You say you need a little time. Been a long time since I hit your city like what's up, mama? Come up, yeah, baby, get the comments. You can try to ignore me. You can lie, yeah, like you don't want it. I just pulled up in the bitch. She don't really wanna make a mention.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I refresh my afro. This is like a day 3, day 4 wash and go, and how I get like this little shrink afro-y look. So if you're interested in this video, please continue watching. Alright guys, we are back finally with a voiceover. I am just letting down my hair. I had it in a high puff because I worked out today. Yay me. So as you can see, my hair is a little bit like stretched around the perimeter and just curls aren't popping. So what I usually do is once I take down my hair, I will finger like detangle, but not really detangling. I'm just like fluffing my hair with my hands as much as I can, just to get it to kind of fall a little bit. And so then I'm taking this spray bottle. I will make sure to link it in the description box below. And this just sprays a fine mist on my hair. And then I'm rubbing that water into my hair. So I'm just getting that fairly damp so it can like get my curls activated. And I'm just rubbing that in with my palms. And then I'm going in with this Dark and Lovely leave-in conditioner. If you guys have used this before, y'all let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. This is my first or second time using it, and I just tried it out because it was on clearance. But as you can see, like my curls are starting to activate a little bit more, and what this does, as you continue to put in leave-in conditioner, it makes your curls come back and look super poppin'. As you can see right here, my curls are like looking moisturized and everything. But it allows your hair to fall down really seamlessly. So I'm doing the same thing to the back so my hair can fall down on the nape of my neck and not be just sticking up in the back or whatever. So yeah, I'm just doing the exact same thing to the back. So I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and watch, and then I'll come back to you guys in a sec. Now once you do this, you want to go in with a pick, and you just want to pick out your fro. You just want to get it as big as you can get it, or to your desired poofiness. But I'm just fluffing my hair out to see how big it can get, because I believe the bigger the hair, the better. And I'm just fluffing the hair out. You will see me pick up a few sections in the top of my hair just to add a little bit of volume and kind of get some shape to my hair. I really don't know what to do with it at this stage because it's getting longer, but it's not like super long where it hangs right, in my opinion. So I'm gonna stop rambling so you guys can go ahead and see what the finished results look like. I messed around with the bang and everything. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my usual wash and go routine. I just let my hair air dry. So when you let your hair air dry, you get, you know, a lot more shrinkage and just I've been loving this length with air dried hair. Usually when I diffuse my hair, it retains length, and so it's like longer and like down on my shoulders and stuff. My hair, I did not cut it. It is still the same length. But when you air dry your hair, it shrinks up a good amount. So I've been liking this above the neck fro. So if you have hair similar to my length, I definitely encourage you to air dry your hair so you can get this cute little short afro look. But in addition to that, you won't have to worry about friction of your fro on your back and on your clothes, and it'll prevent breakage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time that I upload. If you're a new subscriber, hello, welcome to the family. I love you guys so much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Simple. Bye, guys.
Blah blah, listen to a fridge. She downtown with the twins, yeah. She don't wanna jump into nothing. I'ma fall for you. Wanna take time, make it worth it.